I didn't buy it. I didn't get it sent in for a review. I won it in a raffle that I vaguely remember entering. Let's crack it open and take a look. So the company I buy a lot of my soldering equipment, like my soldering tips and my soldering base stations and things of that nature from, was holding a raffle. If you reviewed the products you bought from them, which I felt like I needed to do anyway, we automatically entered into this raffle. I went ham. I left reviews for almost everything I bought from them. And months later, I was contacted and apparently I won the raffle. It's a pretty cool site. Be clear they're not a sponsor or anything, but I buy a lot of my soldering equipment from them because, at least at one time, their prices were very competitive. Cracking it open, let's take a look. See what we got in the box. Power cord, USB cable, 1X and 10X oscilloscope probe, 2 more of them. So a total of 4 so far. And let's pull out the big boy. We have a quick start guide. And yes, it is an oscilloscope. I'm going to be straight with you. I do not feel like an oscilloscope is a requirement for the work that I do typically, but it doesn't hurt to have one. It looks like we'll be learning how to use an oscilloscope in coming video. Maybe, perhaps. It's very cute, compact and small. I like it. Lightly dabbled with oscilloscopes before. I do not remember most of what I did. So this is going to be very new for me. 4-channel. I'm not going to get into describing anything because I would be a liar. Kind of expected this to have a disc or something, but I do not see one. Do believe we can hook this up to the computer. It does have a USB cable. This is one of those things I am going to have to look through the manual for. Have a look at it here. I think it has an S bus. Like an HDMI cable. Interesting. USB. We got on the back. We have USB. We have a LAN cable. USB B. USB A. Pass failed trigger out. I have no idea what that means. It's cute. I can honestly say I probably never would have bought one of these myself. Kind of want to know software wise what we're going to do. I'm going to have to stop here and do some research and see if I can find the software so that we can show you what's going on screen. I got the software installed and it does appear I'll be able to show you things as I come across them. I've got to learn from scratch what to do with this thing, so don't expect that too soon, but I will start learning step by step as we go. Sorry for the shakiness of the video, but this is what it looks like on the bench. It looks pretty good next to that Siglent power supply. I wish I could show you more, go through the details of it, but I'm a newbie. Watch the journey in future videos. I suspect I'll be reading through this for quite a long time and watching lots of Totec Merc videos. I suggest you watch them too. They're great videos. Stay tuned as the journey continues. If you got value out of this video, I think you'll get value out of this one too. And I'll see you there. Until then, have a blessed day.